Can you introduce yourself?
Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Rosana Bayaban. I am 44 years old. I am married. I have 5 kids. I have three sisters and 1 brother. I am a high school graduate.
Do you have any experience in working abroad before as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am, in Hong Kong.
How long did you stay in that employer?
2 years.
How about in the Philippines? Do you have any experience working as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. 3 years.
What are your main duties in your previous employer?
My main duty in my first employer is taking newborn baby, and the second is household cleaning.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Aside for the high salary in the one of the nice place, then near the Philippines.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am. Like steamed chicken and steamed fish, and saute the mixed vegetable.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am. I eager to learn.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the baby has a fever? What will you do?
I check first the temperature, and then call immediately my employer.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
Teach them how to writing and talking, and
Can you sing a nursery song? Can you
Yes.
give an example?
Yes, ma'am. I like a twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
What kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
no.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am hardworking, honest, patient, and dedicated.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Yeah. If you hire me, I promise to you to finish my 2 years contract to work with you as long as you need. Thank you, Madam and Sir. God bless.